Hi, pretty babies. They're like, no, don't touch me, don't touch me. We've been touched all day. What are you guys doing? Huh? Again, you're going to run away. Y'all are all running away. He's handsome, isn't he? Handsome. Beautiful. Well, hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. How's everybody in here today? Huh? How's everybody in here today?
Okay. What? Hey, I want to hold one. Hold one.
Calm down.
Sorry.
Hold your hand out.
Hi.
Hey, baby. Baby.
Oh my god, it's a Pikachu, but it's...
Oh my god.
Here you go.
You want to go back? I want to go back. Good. No?
Don't you like their snazzy hairdo? Yeah, I'm video recording you. Yes, I am.
Oh, I just kind of picked it up and didn't really have a choice of where he wanted to go.
Hey, pretty. You're going the wrong way. Are you whispering? Are you whispering? Huh?
We got Ray Green here.
Oh. Oh. It's like, nope. You gonna bite the camera? Seriously? Oh, look at you. Look at you.
Hi.
Somebody's throwing a fit, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all mad at that one. Hi. Please don't bite me.
It's okay. What you doing over here? Huh? What you doing over here? You trying to steal my phone too? You try to steal the phone too?
Hi. Hi.
Yeah. You try to steal the phone too? Don't bite.
You want to come up? I want to come up. Yeah, I got a phone too.
It's oh. Sydney, you have to turn this around and record. No. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's my personal stuff there. That's my personal stuff there. No, you can't have my glasses.
What'd you do? Mama, I want to hold him now. Please?
Well, just hold on. He's still busy. He's not for sure what he wants to do yet.
Here, Mama.
Hold on. Their claws are very sharp. Just saying. Were you mad because she touched me? She tried to touch you? I didn't do it. She did.
Now put it all the way up.
What are you doing with my shirt? Please don't eat my shirt. What do you like on my shirt? Huh? What do you like in there on my shirt? No, see, we're recording. We're recording. Yeah, we're recording. Yeah. Out. Hey, there's skin under there. Yeah, there's skin under there. What? I'm having the same issue over here, okay? Hold on. There you go. Did you get them? Okay.